Hello friends, is your car misfiring, losing power, or struggling with acceleration? If your check engine light is showing code P0359, you might be dealing with an ignition coil 1 circuit malfunction. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and long-term engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0359 means, symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0359? P0359 stands for Ignition Coil I Primary-Secondary Circuit Malfunction. The ignition coil is responsible for transforming the battery's low voltage into the high voltage needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the engine. Your vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the ignition coil circuits, and if it detects a problem with ignition coil I, it triggers code P0359. This issue is commonly found in V8, V10, and V12 engines that use individual ignition coils per cylinder. Common symptoms of P0359, check engine light, CL, on, engine misfire or rough idle, loss of acceleration and power, hard starting or engine stalling, poor fuel economy, and unusual exhaust smell due to unburned fuel. If left unresolved, this issue can cause severe damage to the catalytic converter. Sensor location, where to check. The ignition coil, I, is typically located on the cylinder head, above the spark plug for cylinder 9. For V8 engines, some V8s may not have a cylinder 9. Refer to your vehicle's firing order to determine the correct coil. For V10 engines, cylinder 9 is usually on the passenger side towards the rear of the engine. For coil pack systems, if your car has a coil pack instead of individual coils, it will be mounted near the intake manifold or engine block. Always check your vehicle's service manual for the exact cylinder numbering and ignition coil location. Common causes of P0359. 1. A faulty ignition coil. A burned out or damaged coil can cause this issue. 2. Wiring or connector problems. Corroded, broken, or loose wiring in the ignition coil circuit. 3. A bad spark plug or spark plug wires. A worn-out spark plug can put extra stress on the coil. 4. A defective PCM, Powertrain Control Module. If the PCM fails to send the correct signals, it may trigger P0359. 5. A blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse or relay can cut off power to the ignition coil. How to fix P0359. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the code and check for related misfire codes. Step 2. Locate ignition coil I, cylinder 9, and inspect it for burn marks, cracks, or oil leaks. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the spark plug and ignition coil using a multimeter to check resistance and voltage. Step 5. If the coil is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 6. Inspect and replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. Step 7. Clear the code with an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. A failing ignition coil. I can cause serious misfires, performance loss, and even long-term engine damage. Fixing P0359 early will help keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0016, crankshaft camshaft position correlation, bank 1 sensor A, P0017, crankshaft camshaft position correlation, bank 1 sensor B. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.